So hi everyone, yes this is again Muskan from 3KM and you must be tired of hearing this, but today we are at a place where I haven't taken you before. We are here to explore something that literally changes lives, something that is mightier than the sword. Yes, it is a pen. A writer without a pen is nothing and people literally write their future with pens. So this tiny little thing is very important. We are at the International Pen Festival organized by Venus Traders at Rami Grand Hotel, Pune on 11th and 12th December. Let's see what it has in store for us. How do you feel right now at this pen festival? Because after the COVID times, this is the first time something like this is happening. So how do you feel to be here?
I think you feel like you're back to school. You're seeing so many writing instruments here,
Yeah.
and like you said, yeah, it's feel good to be back in a physical event.
Exactly.
I think the variety of pens manufacturers here and the display of pens is
Extensive,
is
yeah.
really extensive,
Yeah.
pretty unique. It caters to every category of your
Yeah.
buying, and some pens are customized.
Yeah.
They also have something is silver.
Yeah.
So I think it's a good
Vintage
variety,
pens
and there are new trends. So
yeah.
let's not talking about what is happening in the industry.
Yeah.
So you're seeing right from the common pen used every day to
Yeah.
a signature pen which can use once in a year. I think
Yeah.
it's a lot of varieties here.
Because I'm very excited because I myself am a pen collector
Oh.
and I give public lectures on fountain pen and how to use fountain pen.
Oh.
And I am one person who would like to promote fountain pens.
Okay.
So it's a great occasion.
Yeah.
In fact, I have got up today morning at 3:30 to come here
Because of
to be here
excitement.
at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock.
Oh, yeah.
And it's a great event. And throughout the day, a lot of people will come and they must see because despite digital world, fountain pen is the passion.
Yeah.
And I can only say write a piece and you realize what it is to write with a fountain pen. Great collection of inks you can see here. From morning I am seeing all the stalls. So well made. It's an excitement.
So, hi, how are you all?
We are very well, thank you so much.
So I would like to start with asking you that so after the COVID times and everything, like such events are very rare now. So how do you feel to be here first of all
I
at
thi-
this physical event?
I think this is an excellent platform to start off the new year and also to say goodbye to COVID in a way.
Yeah.
Things have opened up and it's a very interesting platform where people can come and see, people can see the products physically. E-commerce is one part of it, but physical feeling of the products is something excellent. I'm very happy to be here.
So is there anything specific about fountain pens because of which you are a fan of fountain pens or?
See, you have an option when signing the document.
Yeah.
Only you get the option in fountain pen. Either you can go with a thinner line,
Yeah.
medium scale line,
Yeah.
or a broader line. You have an option with the color combination. I would say a fountain pen or the pen by which you are signing,
Yeah.
it gives you a very different identity and your personality
Okay.
speaks from it.
Absolutely.
That is the beauty of the pen.
So any message you would like to give to our lovely audience today or people who have come here to visit this place and visit
I
this
would sum
exhibition?
up in one simple line: use only fountain pens. That's the message.
Okay, so thank you so much for being here today and taking up the time to talk to us.
It's all my pleasure.
Thank you so much. So if I have to ask you your favorite brand of pen, what would you say?
I'll be partial if I mention one brand,
One brand.
but of course Montblanc is one.
Okay.
Indian brands like Constellation are very good. Parker is excellent also. Lamy is excellent.
Yeah.
Many are there.
But are you a fan of sleek pens or broad pens? What do you prefer personally?
Actually, I have a collection of 200 pens of different
Oh my
birds,
God.
and each one has a different pleasure to write
Yeah.
with.
Like everyone, it has like you experience something different writing with a sleek pen and a white pen. Okay, so sir, thank you so much for coming here and speaking to us and giving your time.
You're very welcome.
Thank you
Thanks,
so
a
much.
pleasure.
So he is Mr. Nikhil, the owner of our favorite Venus Traders, where we have been visiting since we were a kid. So, hi sir, how are you? I am good too, sir. Thank you. So, I would like to start with asking you that how did the thought come to your mind of organizing such a beautiful pen festival?
So basically, the all the pens we can just cater to a select brand in our store. So we thought that we should have a bigger range to show to our customers. That is the reason we thought that, and we have good buyers, and they're always looking for these pens. People pick it up off the shelf in US or UK wherever they're traveling.
Yeah.
So we thought that this is like a good platform for them to come select and see what they can get best out of it.
And so we have such a lovely audience here, and the response is huge. So, how do you feel seeing this response? Did you expect this already, or is this a surprise for you today?
It is a surprise for me because a lot of people are occupied and they're moving so much time. Especially our mayor has come, and
Yeah.
it's really good. We feel that we are doing something good for the people, so we get that back, and I'm really glad that a lot of people are visiting. They're liking things. There's a lot of sales.
So, sir, you loved the collection today, and if you have to describe it in one word, what would you say?
I think it's mesmerizing.
Okay.
Very mesmerizing.
And sir, as we all know, you are a writer also, and you have written a few books. So you might be very attached to pens. You might have a different relationship with pens. So, what would you like to say about that?
I mean, I've always been fond of fountain pens. So I could see a range of fountain pens today.
Yeah.
So in fact, I got some leather bags also to keep those fountain pens.
Pen.
So I think people are very possessive about the kind of pen that they use. Most of them who are passionate about pens.
Yeah.
So I think it was an eye opener for me
Yeah.
to see the evolution of how pens are made currently, and keeping in mind the entire science behind it. So
Yeah.
I think it was a wonderful experience which will stay with me for a long time to come.
तो गोपाल सर, मुझे एक बात पूछना था कि आपने ये सिग्नेचर्स वगैरह जो आपने 5 लाख से ज़्यादा सिग्नेचर्स अभी तक की है, ये इसकी शुरुआत कब से हुई? आपने कब शुरू किया ये करना?
हे मॅडम 2005मध्ये मी अखिल भारतीय मराठी साहित्य संमेलन नाशिकला सुरुवात केली
ओके.
आणि त्या ठिकाणी 1.5 दिवसामध्ये मी 2,500 लोकांना सॅर
अरे बापरे.
लोकांच्या रांगा होत्या आणि ते लोकांना मॅडम आवडते.
हां हां.
आज आपण 100 सह्या बघितल्या महाराष्ट्रामध्ये, 100मध्ये 2, 4, 5 सह्या फक्त मराठीत असतात, बाकी सगळ्या इंग्रजीत असतात. आपण महाराष्ट्रीयन, आपली भाषा मराठी भाषा, मग आपल्या भाषेचा आपल्याला अभिमान असावा, म्हणून छोटीशी माझी धावपळ आहे की लोकांनी मराठीमध्ये स्वाक्षरी, आणि मी जे स्वाक्षऱ्या बनवतो ते आकर्षक बनवतो, म्हणून लोकांना ते आवडतात आणि लोक